So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix an iPhone whose touch has stopped working. So I have an iPhone here, it's become unresponsive, the touch doesn't seem to work, so I can't press buttons at all. Now if you are having an issue like this, you may have seen solutions where they ask you to go ahead and delete certain apps. But the problem here is that the touch itself is not working and therefore I find those solutions not workable. If you are having an issue like this, what I suggest you to do is a hard reset. And the way the hard reset is done on the iPhone 11 is like you press the volume up at the start, then the volume down button, and then immediately the power button. Now, once you do this, keep the power button pressed. Since the touch is not working, you won't be able to click on slide to power off. So you need to keep the power button pressed until you see the Apple icon. Typically, when the phone reboots like this, you will find that the touch and many other things get sorted. It's often said that a soft reset or a hard reset can solve many issues. The problem here is that when you want to do a normal restart or that's a soft reset, you need the touch buttons to work, which isn't working in the first place. And therefore, you need to do this. Now, I will simply put in my code. I will see whether this works. Now I will go to my settings. Yeah, things are working. So hopefully if you have a touch issue, this should work. If it's not working, say for whatever reasons it's not working, what I will suggest to do is simply flap the iPhone on the palm like this and simply tap the phone. I mean, as of now, the touch has started working, but I request you to tap the phone and then again do the same thing that I have suggested, that is do a hard reset. Now depending on the iPhone model that you have, iPhone 8 or later, in newer versions what you do is you press the volume up, then the volume down, and then the power button until you see the slide to power off, and then basically hold on until like the Apple icon comes and the phone restarts. So like depending on whichever version of iPhone you have, older or newer, just simply go ahead and try to restart the phone using the hard reset method. Don't worry, no data gets lost. There is a misconception floating around like if you do a hard reset, the phone data will get wiped off. No, that doesn't happen until you do a factory reset. So let that not worry you. Now, once the phone restarts, hopefully now everything should start working and your issues should be solved. Now, this thing not only helps for an iPhone whose touch has stopped working, but it also helps for a iPhone which has become unresponsive or like there's some other issues with the phone. Typically, it's said that when you reboot a phone, many other things will start working. Now, if this still doesn't work, there may be a faulty LED panel. The screen may have gone wrong. It may be a actual hardware issue. So you can take it to the Apple store and they will fix it for you. But before you take it to the Apple store, I know it will cost you bucks. You can try doing this small little steps which I have suggested. And if you can fix this yourself at home, I think you will be happy. So if today's tutorial helps you and you think your iPhone starts working, I mean, I would really appreciate you subscribing to the channel, and also like if you can tap on the bell icon, you'll keep getting notified of my future tutorials. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off.